Okay, let's dive into a pretty bold claim that castles are actually greater than cathedrals. So the idea is that cathedrals can feel kind of alien, but castles, they feel like a living cosmos. The symbolism of a cathedral is compared to a dead language. It just doesn't really speak to us anymore. But a castle, that's a different story. It's seen as a living microcosm, a whole world in miniature. Think of it like a fractal. Each layer you go deeper holds more and more meaning. Yeah, a castle wasn't just stone walls. It was a place buzzing with all kinds of human life. And when things got bad, it became a refuge, a kind of stone ark protecting everyone inside. So this all leads to a huge question. How do we build things today that have that same living quality?
Well, the source points us to architect Christopher Alexander and his idea of a timeless way of building.
It's not about a certain style. It's about something he called a pattern language that works at every single scale. And this idea, it works at the grandest scale you can possibly imagine. He imagined a world broken into 1,000 small, independent, and culturally unique regions. But what's really cool is how it also works at the most intimate, tiny scales. Take a balcony, for instance. He had a pattern for it, and one detail was absolutely key. See, that 6-foot depth allows for a table and chairs. It allows for connection. Any less, and life just doesn't happen there. But is that it? Can a set of patterns, a process, be enough to create something that truly lives? Apparently not. There's something deeper, a central teaching he called the kernel of the way. And here it is, the real secret: you can only make something live if you're egoless. That living quality doesn't come from a calculated plan. It comes from forgetting yourself. To do it, the builder has to let go of all their images and just start with a void. And you can see how this goes way beyond just buildings, right? It applies to, well, everything. So it leaves you with this question. What image do you need to let go of to build something that lasts?